Are you trying to download a chat from Facebook but don't know where to start? First, open the Facebook app. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Then tap on Settings. Now, in the search bar at the top of the settings page, type Download. From the search results, tap on Download Your Information. This takes you to the page where you can request a copy of your Facebook data. On this page, you'll see a list of data types. Tap on Deselect All to clear everything. Then scroll down and tap the checkbox next to Messages Only. This means you'll only download your Messenger chat data. Scroll down and you'll see three filter options: date range, format, and media quality. If you want all your messages, set the date range to all time. If you're looking for chats from a specific time period, choose custom dates. Set the format to HTML so it's easy to read on your phone. For media quality, choose low or medium if you don't need high-resolution images or videos, or choose high if quality matters. After setting everything up, scroll to the bottom and tap Create File. Facebook will start preparing your messages. This may take several minutes or longer, depending on the amount of data. Once the file is ready, you'll get a notification. That's how to save your Messenger conversations using only your phone. Thanks for watching.